everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I am so excited about this video. It is the unboxing of Cosmetips collaboration with Isabel Bedoya. If you guys don't know who she is a beauty influencer. I'll go ahead and leave her Instagram handle in the description box down below. Definitely go ahead and check her out. Now, for Cosmetips, if you guys do not know what Cosmetips is, oh my god, I freaking love them. They are my favorite non-subscription beauty box. So, just like you guys, or if you guys don't know, Trendmood has a beauty box. It is not a subscription box. It is a first come first serve box, and this is very similar to that. The only difference between Trendmood's box and Cosmetips is Cosmetips works with influencers. So they collaborate with them, and the influencer gets to completely put the box together. They can design the box, which is what she did here. And what they do is that influencer goes ahead and takes all of their most loved products, puts it in this box for you, and Cosmetips gives it or sells it to you guys at a discounted price. So it is freaking amazing. It is not done monthly. I think it's been a while since they've done a collaboration, and I freaking love their boxes. I wasn't able to get all of their boxes, but the ones that I have completely loved. So definitely go ahead and check Cosmetips out. I will leave their Instagram handle as well in the description box down below. You will not regret it. I freaking love their boxes, and I'm so excited for the items in this box. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family here. Let's get into the box. Alright guys, so this is the box here. Like I said, the influencer gets to go ahead and customize their box. She decided to go ahead and just plaster her beautiful face all over the box. It is on the front, on the sides, on the back, and it is even on the inside. Now I am going to go ahead and tell you how much the box was. It was, I believe, 110 euros, and converted into US dollars, I actually paid a total of $163.73, and that was after shipping was included. So it is definitely not bad at all, especially once I go ahead and show you the items in the box and how much they are valued at, and I'm also going to tell you the value of the entire box. So once you open the box, you have this little booklet. It again has pictures of her, and it is going to have a little thank you note from her, and it is going to have all the products that are in the box. And some of these companies whose products are in the box will have a discount code for you to go ahead and use on their website. So that is always nice. I think the only one that did a discount this time was Murad. But anyways, my lash is coming off. If you see my lash falling off, mind your business. I need to get this video done. So let's just pretend she's fully on. But anyways, outside of the box, again, her face in the box. Alright, so this is the inside. We've got their little logo here. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's very well packaged, and I have to say shipping was fairly quick. I think I got it in about less than a week, I think. But definitely very well packaged. Nothing comes broken. At least I've never had anything come truly broken. First up here, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter. This is in the shade Vegas. I actually do not have any of their loose highlighters, so I'm actually quite excited to go ahead and give this a try, even though I definitely do not need any more highlighters. I have a full drawer in my vanity of clear highlighters, and quite frankly, that's embarrassing. But anyways, now I just have another one to go ahead and add to my collection. Let me just go ahead and get some of the product on the lid. Oh shit, sorry. I got a lot. That is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is some lining highlight right there. So a little bit definitely goes a long way with this highlighter. So a little bit. And this highlighter retails for $25. So up here we have the Murad Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi Cleanser. I'm always looking to try new cleansers. Luckily for me, my skin is not sensitive, so I can definitely go ahead and change up my skincare routine fairly easily without having any sort of issue, but I always like trying new skincare products. So this is the bottle here, little pump, and yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out. So it's it's a hydrating cleanser that removes dirt, excess oil, and makeup while replenishing with prebiotics. Yeah, and this retails for $36. Next up, we have Lily Lashes in Mykonos. As we all know, if you watch influencers, these are like one of everybody's favorite style of lashes. And I now have myself prepared. So these are the lashes here. They are definitely some very pretty lashes. Very full, very, very soft, and I cannot wait to put these on. And these retail for $30. So I am so excited about this product. I'm actually excited about all the products, but I absolutely love Dominique Cosmetics. She has some very good products. They're very good quality. I just love her products overall. I have a few of her palettes already, as well as lip glosses, and I absolutely love them. So if you haven't checked her out, definitely do so. You will not be disappointed. So in this box, we have her Latte 2 palette. It's a fairly large size palette. The shadows themselves are actually pretty good size. And let me just go ahead and swatch a couple because I'm definitely keeping this. I love that it comes with a mirror. Let's do these three. So hopefully you guys can see that. But we've got, what did I do? Frappe, strawberry milk, and matcha. So as you can see, they are quite pigmented. I only did one swipe. Of course, you don't really know how they're going to perform once you go ahead and try to put them on your eyes and blend them out. But like I said, I do own some palettes already, and I definitely love. So definitely check her out. And this palette retails for $42. Next up, we have the Matcha, the silk canvas. As you guys all know, everybody was going crazy over this primer for the longest time. It is one of my personal favorites. Even though I have oily skin, it does work quite well for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it here. This is what it looks like if you guys are not familiar with it. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to leave it untouched because I still have mine that I haven't finished. So I don't want to dig my hand in here just yet. But I love touch-up products as well. And this retails for $52. We're almost done. We have two more products. Next up, we have the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. You guys know everybody loves these. Everybody raves about this. And actually all of the serums that they have. But I am so excited. I cannot wait to use this. I love Farsali, like I mentioned. And this retails for $4. And last up is this Michael Todd Beauty Sonic Blend Pro. I have been so interested in giving this a try. Okay, so I'm gonna drop everything. This is the little case for the brush, which I like that it comes with a case, so that's great. It's got the little charging cable here, so just go ahead and put that in, charge it up, and there she is. I'm so excited. I'm so happy this came in the box. Oh my god. Stop. Is it charged? Oh, it is. Wait, I'm not gonna put my face after that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh shoot. Alright, so apparently it has 3 settings. The first one, second one, and then third one. Oh my god, I want to go ahead and just wipe off my makeup right now and go ahead and give this a try. But I'm going to save it for the next time I go ahead and do my makeup. So this is so cool. You can put your primer on, put your serum on, you can put your foundation on, your cream contour. You can do just about everything with this brush. I just can't wait to give it a try. Hopefully it doesn't leave any streaks or patching it, anything. But $79 and it came in my box. So I'm sure you guys can tell I'm super excited about this. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is everything that came in my box. Like I said, I only paid $164 for the entire box with shipping, which is really not a bad price because I'm about to go ahead and tell you the complete value of this box. So complete value is $318, meaning I saved $154. $154. I mean, you guys, definitely check them out. I don't know as of right now if the box is still available. If it is, I will go ahead and leave it in the description. I will leave it in the description box down below. But if it is sold out, definitely go ahead and give them a follow on their Instagram. They're constantly updating as to whenever they do new collaborations, and you don't want to miss out on their next one. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, go ahead and leave a comment down below as far as what you would like to see next. And I will see